Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, June 19th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the 3 things I wish I knew before I started direct mail. But if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years and been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, with that being said, I'm going to jump right into the video. Thing number 1 is consistency beats perfection. All right? Consistency beats perfection. So a lot of times people sit and they ponder and they wait and, they think that next Monday is the perfect time to start my new opportunity. When in fact, the perfect time is right now. Okay? Like I always say, use the analogy with the trees. Or the saying with the trees, 20 years ago was the best time to plant a tree. The next best time to plant one is today, right? So start today. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Just start, right? Just start taking action right now because there's no such thing as a perfect time, okay? So that is number 1. The second thing that I wish I knew before I started direct mail is that postcards don't work if you don't mail them, right? I mean, it's quite obvious, but people overlook this. If you're just mailing out 100 postcards every month, that's fine, but you have to stay consistent in your mailings, okay? And quite honestly, you want to get up to as many postcards as you can possibly mail out that your budget allows each and every month, all right? Because really, 100 postcards, it's a good start, but it's going to take you a while to get the results that you're looking for. Okay? So, with that being said, don't wait until you have the funds to mail out 1,000 postcards, right? If your budget only allows you to mail out 100 postcards, then mail out 100 postcards, and just stay consistent with doing that. And over time, as you start making commissions, then take some of that money and reinvest it and then up the amount that you're sending out. But don't sit and just wait for the perfect thing. I had a lady reach out to me, and she's a go-getter. She's taking action now, but she was going to wait to have the money saved up so she could afford to buy a P.O. box. And I basically told her, you don't have to wait for a P.O. box. I just recommend getting a P.O. box because once you start mailing out letters, you're going to start receiving things back because people reverse mail, which is a whole different video. So you will receive junk mail. And if you don't have a problem receiving that at your home mailbox, then that's fine. You don't need a P.O. box, okay? I personally like to have a P.O. box, but don't let that stop you from taking action and getting started today, all right? So basically, don't let anything stop you and just mail out as many postcards or letters or flyers or however it is you're marketing. Just start mailing it out, all right? Don't wait for that perfect time. And, postcards that aren't being sent, that are just sitting in your office, they're not doing any good, right? You got to look at a postcard as being, each postcard has the potential to turn into hundreds, thousands, or tens of thousands of dollars, right? So they're like little seeds that you're planting today that will grow over time. And that's how you have to look at it. So if you can't afford to mail out a bunch of postcards, just mail out however many you can that your budget allows and just start taking action. Okay? Don't wait for the perfect time. And then the third thing, it's not about hype, all right? It's about trust. So you don't want to come on and start creating content and sounding all hypey and, oh, you can make $3,500 per referral. You can make $100,000 in a month and doing all that. You want to tell your story. You want to be truthful and tell your story. All right, and that's what I try to do in my videos and my proof videos. A lot of people, they don't like showing proof, but I don't show all my payment proof, okay? But every week I like to show something. I like to show a little bit just to show people what is possible if you take action, okay? I don't tell anybody how much money I make. I just do little payment proofs here and there, all right? And you don't have to show everybody everything that you make. But by showing them that you're getting results here and there, that says, hey, this person is really not just talking the talk, he's walking the walk. That's what I do. That's why I'm on here every day. I don't want you thinking that I'm just somebody who's going to, you sign up with me and I'm just going to disappear because I made a few bucks from you, right? I'm the real deal. I am building a mailbox money empire, okay? I want to be the greatest that there is in direct mail marketing, period. There's nobody's going to outwork me, all right? Nobody's going to outwork me in direct mail. I got another stack of these I put together last night. I'm just constantly going through the same routine that I go through. I wake up, grab my coffee, check my emails, send out some emails of my own, and I work on my business. I come to the soap shop here, make sure everything's going smooth. If I have anything I got to take care of here, I take care of that. And then I continue working on my business. You have to fall in love with your business, and you have to treat it like a business. Most of you join programs and you don't even treat it like a business. That's why you don't get business results. How are you supposed to get business results if you don't show up every day and treat it like a business? And most of you don't even treat it like a hobby. That's why 98% of people never get results. Because you just don't do anything with it. And then you blame it on the opportunity. Well, it's not the opportunity. It's you're not taking action. And the beautiful thing about direct mail is that you can use direct mail for anything. Any niche that you're in, any product, service, opportunity, you can use direct mail. I mean, think of all the stuff you get in your mailbox. You might get HVAC postcards. You might get law firm postcards. You might get accounting postcards. You might get other business opportunities. You might get, I got a thing in the mail yesterday from a magazine offer. So you can use direct mail for anything. And what I do and what I teach, it can be used for any product, service, or opportunity. I just prefer selling opportunities to people. That's just what I'm passionate about, because I know that it's changed my life and it can change other people's lives if you're willing to put in the work every day. So those are the 3 things I wish I knew before I started direct mail. I mean, they're pretty obvious, but sometimes they're just overlooked. Consistency beats perfection. Just start doing it now. Start making YouTube videos. It doesn't matter if you're perfect. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone that's 10 years old. Who cares? Just start creating content. Start mailing out your postcards. Postcards, they're not making you any money or bringing in any leads by just sitting on the desk, right? So just afford whatever you can afford, mail out and start taking action and tell your real story. Don't be don't overhype things. Just be truthful. I try to tell people, listen, you're not going to get rich overnight with direct mail. The only way you're going to get rich is if you hit the lottery. And this is a long-term business. You're building a business. Have that mindset. You're building a business. You will not get rich overnight, but you have the potential to earn unlimited money if you put in the work. There's people who have made hundreds of millions of dollars in direct mail marketing. All right. I'm reading about some of these people right now. Back in the 80s and 90s, there are people who've generated hundreds of millions of dollars in gross sales. All right. And these people themselves, they've earned tens of millions in dollars in gross profits or in net profits after all their expenses. So it's very possible. Direct mail is not going anywhere. It's been around since the 1800s. It's underutilized in my opinion, okay? And it's very, 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 very lucrative if you put in the work, okay? So wouldn't you rather get this in the mail than an email? I do. I love getting stuff in the mail. And when you start getting money in the mail, it makes it even better. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day and take action.